Hi, welcome to ERE 153. My name is Taryn Krizan. I'm your instructor and I'm here to get you started. You are going to start here from the home page and click the Start Here button, which is going to lead you to an overview of the course. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the syllabus, which is linked here. This and most of the other documents in this course are links to my Google Drive. And so you're going to need to make sure that you're logged on to your Fresno State Google account to access those. So if you click on this link, you're going to see the course syllabus. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to get in touch with me. You can see here that I have my email address listed. And I also have my phone number, and you can call or text me if you need to. But the preferred way that I want to communicate with you when you have general questions for the course is to use the discussion board. So I'm going to come back to our course here, and the discussion links. The pinned link is the Ask Questions Here discussion, and that's a great place to ask general questions about the course. Back at the syllabus now, if you have questions that are personal or more specific, then I encourage you to use my email address. You can use the inbox feature over here inside Canvas to contact me, and that's the best way because it indicates which course that you're in of mine and helps me to keep track of our conversations. So back to the syllabus is you're going to sometimes see Dr. Christian Wandler involved in our videos in this course, and he helped create this online course, and we've worked together for a number of years. He's not currently an instructor assigned to this course, but he did help make the content, and so I'd like to give him credit for that. During this orientation, you are going to vote on a poll as to when to schedule our weekly voluntary Zoom meetings. These are going to be my office hours for this course. So as you go through the orientation, indicate the times you're available, and we're going to be using this Zoom link here, which I will also post in announcements as to how to get how to attend those office hours. I generally try to respond to all of your questions within 24 hours, hopefully sooner. So I'd like to talk a little bit. There's some COVID information here, but we're not on campus, so it only applies to you to the extent that you're on campus. And I do want to talk about the purpose of this course. It's to familiarize you with statistics, both descriptive and inferential, in the context of educational research. And you're going to both be able to apply this to understanding the literature and the research that you read, as well as applying it to your own practice. Next is there is some information about the required textbooks and materials. And this introductory statistics book is required, and it is an open source book and it is available online. In this orientation module, you will find some specific links to how to get hard copies if you prefer, and also there is a link to the PDF already, which you can just download, which I recommend. A voluntary optional book is to get Yaki's book, SPSS Demystified, which is really exciting because he's actually a faculty member here at Fresno State as well. One of the older editions would be fine. It'll help you walk through step by step how to use SPSS, which is the statistical package that we'll be using. And I will also be talking about that in the orientation. There are several options for how to acquire or use that software for free. I'm looking forward to working with you all, so please go to my next video to continue the syllabus orientation.